Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to clean the lint filter in our higher 7.5 kg machine as well as the water inlet filter. So let's begin. So you have to just remove the filter from here, and there are two filters here, so from both the sides. Once you remove, as you can see, there is so much lint accumulated here. You can just open it like this and you will see it will be accumulated here. So now we have to just dump this out in the dustbin first, and then we can clean it. Depending upon how much you use your machine, the lint filter will get dirty accordingly. So you need to keep checking it in one in weekly, and you can check it once a week. And if it is full, you can clean it. If you don't wash a lot of clothes, then it might not get as dirty, and you can clean it in 2 weeks, once 2 weeks. Rinse it under running water. Make sure most of the brush as well, if you want to do a thorough job. So once it is clean, you can just put it like this and close it. And this one is ready to be installed in the machine again. Similarly, wash the second one and remove the one that is sticking to the net. I will just throw the big chunks that I am collecting in the dustbin. I will just clog my drain. Now that the filter is clean, I can just install it back. Sometimes the lint sticks to the inner portion of the place where the lint filter is, so you can just remove it by hand and throw it in the oven. So this one is done. Now we'll move on to the water inlet filter. So guys, as you can see, near the inlet inside here we have a filter. So I'll clean this. To clean this, first I'll close the tap. So now I've closed the tap. I'll open this now. So as you can see, this is not as dirty. But if it is dirty, you can use a brush like this to clean it. Just do like this, and whatever dirt is there, it will come out. And wipe it and replace the pipe. So yeah, now the pipe has fit again, and your machine is ready to do another wash. Thanks for watching guys, and please like the video and comment whatever questions you have, or you want any other information about the machine. uh, Thank you.